gonna eat sa transit. What?
It's like a mini cola. And it's like a potion though.
That's our food. Good appetit. Ayo, eat na. Eat na, Jiro. Kain na, kain na.
At 6 is very nice because you can use it.
Marine Firtel. Yeah. Church.
This is the fountain. So we're at the...
Asan yung tour? Ay, yung ano?
Actually, we're here. And ito. Saan ba tayo pumunta?
Asan?
Ito ata.
Hindi eh. Wala man eh. Tower eh.
Ito.
Rothes Rathaus. Dito tayo sa Alexanderplatz. Yan, tirik na tirik ang araw. Nag-alakad-lakad pa din kami. Yeah, we're gonna go to Boba. Laki naman ang ticket.
So much give of money.
What the? Up there. Alexanderplatz.
Doon siya, what? Uwi na tayo.
Pahanap mo kay Lola. Ikot natin. Wait lang, ikutin natin. Nasaan, paano malalaman ni Lola yung time? So, we were here in Primark.
Uy, may hazmat mask.
Ilan yung namaha?
Yan.
Bakit? Tignan mo. Tignan mo. Tignan mo.
Wait.
No, turn it to me, turn it to me.
Smile.
Ay, pa. May pa-jinky Pacquiao ang atake ko dito. Bye, train. So, we are seeing the Brandenburger tour. Nice, look ah. There.
Yeah, I know.
So, flexing the MCM shades here. Lakas maka-jinky Pacquiao ang atake natin for today's video. So, nandito tayo sa likod ng Brandenburger tour. At gustong kumain ni Jiro ng currywurst at fries. Kaka-almusal lang. Tapos with the drink. Oh, curry. I love currywurst. Okay, picture ka dyan.
Why dito?
Ang dala, Jero.
Look!
Oo. So, currywurst. Anong order mo? Arla, Berlin.
Labas lang.
Baka may ipuan. Oh, picture kayo doon. Kayong tatlo. We're waiting for the currywurst to open.
Okay. Wait, how long is it here now?
We're waiting for it.
Yeah, my hair has to be here, okay?
Eh?
Currywurst pinag-usapan.
Oh!
Yan yung currywurst. Sikat yan dito, may. Try mo. Masarap ba?
It's like fish and chips.
Almusal na yan. Pero dahil fries.
Napano doon?
Dito po.
So, titigin tayo ng mga souvenirs. Oh, pwede man. Ayan, dami, oh. Jiro with the umbrella. Let me see your umbrella. How's the design? Nice. Next ay punta tayo dun sa right.
Maya.
Kuya, you say the story. Anong story ng tour? Kuya, what's the story? Who's that sa taas?
The Roman goddess. See, but or something. Was it Patricia or something? I think, na?
Yeah. Ikaw, binasa mo kanina
I forgot the name.
Was the one who jumped out?
Oh, yung pangalan ng stoplight, Jiro. Si Ampleman. Ang tagal naman niya mag-green. Para siya mag-turn. Ayan na. Nag-change na siya into green. So, next, ang pupuntahan natin ay ang German Bundestag.
I'm reading.
So, ito ang... Move up, move ka doon, move doon. Doon. Doon.
Dalawa lang sa
So, ito.
Baka na-restore lang yan pero hindi makahanap ng parts.
Yung horse din, nawala yung... Ito ang view. Mula dito. Pwede kasing akyatin yan. Naakyat ko na yan before. Kasi ko na kayang akyatin for today's video. So, dahil gustong akyatin to ni Jiro, maakyat na kami. Tara na, let's go.
This is minute 0 of climbing. We'll see you on minute 1.
Akyatin namin yung Victoria Column. So, Jiro. Cash payment lang ang pwede. So, let's get up. Let's go up, up, up. We're here.
Your parents came in the cul-de-sac, leaned back in a leather-clad seat, pack of spirits in your potted bag. Suburban summer 17 was a roller coaster ride, a manic pixie dream girl right beside me, and she said she liked me, but I bet it was a right thing lining up at the wrong time. And I think maybe if I'd held on tight, she'd still be sitting by my side. I'll never know, I'll never.
Each minute you have to record. You have to see the progress.
Hindi ko man alam yun. Okay na. Ilan lang yung steps na count mo?
Ano mo? Minute 1 of climbing and it's okay.
Naakyat ko na to. Hindi, ganito kahingal ako. Dahil gusto ni Jira. Push.
This is the first floor and this is minute 2. Yeah, I still have lots of stamina.
Yeah, look. Ikot natin. Ayun, I'll follow you. This is proof saying You'll do anything for your child. Let's go. What do you say? I'm still quiet. I hate it. Let's show the view.
But when I used to do parkour, I didn't try to do that. The scratches they scratched.
Jiro made it! So very proud. There's the skirt. Sa Jiro.
Okay, let's go now.
Where? Let's make a tour here. Jiro lang. Show them what's on top. Time to go down. Jiro. Jiro. Going down na. Jiro made it. Ay, kuya. Wait, bibidyo kita. Bibidyo kita. Wala, hindi. Shade. Jiro. Ayun na, Jiro.
Nag-middle finger. Nag-middle finger yung right.
Kanino?
Ayun na.
Kasi muntik na
Si Lola rock climb on top.
Mainit.
Ginagamit ka ballpen.
Oh?
Oo. Like line.
Galing. There's a hot air balloon. Bawal tumungtong sa taas eh.
I want some donuts.
Wala pa sa kalahati ang nasa itinerary namin at kakain na naman kami. Pagkain talaga mga pinunta namin dito. Jiro Dunkin' Donuts. Mauer.
Watch where? Tear down this one. That one. Jai. No, try to touch it.
Maura. Hanap kami ng kakainan dito sa museum and sa Nanano.
Bibili ka ba?
Para naman akong star witness dito sa sushi. Nice yung lighting. Mukhang fresh.
Uy. Sabi naman ang pangmalapit na.
Kasi rubber to eh.
Oh, what's that? Here.
Lock na.
Tayo ka na. Nice. So, nandito tayo sa Museum Incel. Marami makita museum dito, tsaka yung Berliner Dome o yung cathedral nandito. That's the Berliner Dome or the cathedral.
No. Pwede.
Sila. Teriyaki chicken bowl.
That's right.
Si Jiro, ever loyal sa kanyang carbonara.
They added so much parsley every time I breathe.
No.
At least, di ba, yun yung gusto mo, maraming parmesan tsaka parsley.
Or kayong dalawang.
Picture kayo dito, oh. How you face here? So, ayan, kinaya ni Mother. Dito mas maganda ata ang view. Mami, ay, pak. That's the panoramic view here on top. There's the, ano, ayun pa yung kanina na, ano, oh. Na, ito, Jiro, try mo din to, oh. With almonds. Ha? Oh, really? Oh.
Now I have socks.
Ay, so yun lang. I don't have socks.
You! Man, lucky! How are you guys?
So, successful na naiakyat ang Berliner Dome. Nakano ako sa part na to. Ayan.
This is
Ang
the
cathedral.
part
First time, matagal ko nakapunta dito.
Yep.
First time na nakapasok sa loob.
Mercedes, but I ride for you now. Double tick and then you say that you don't. Tell me everything you're thinking about. If I'm making a mistake, call it out, call it out. Tell me what you need in my time. By my side, just know you got a seat in my pride. I'll reserve for your friends, get the back seat. You don't need to call that taxi. Didn't take a sip and the blunt went past me. If you need a ride, do you flat, girl, ask me. You want me, so I'm here for you. Something on your mind, got an ear for you. When it's sunny and you're sober, hope I hear from you. Sit back in the back of my backseat. Driving slow, I'm taking the back street. Sweating cause you sipped on that beach street. Just call me, text me if you wanna reach me. Changing my...
Ayun na yung sasakyan. Oo. Tara na. Or apat. Ay. Sehensbordigkeiten. So we're here. We're here at the eating food. I say hi. Hi, Jira. Eating at a restaurant. Ay, Modo. Ayun, Modo. So, what's this?
We are at the Fining restaurant.
Fine dine. That's Pfannkuchen, pancake. Ay,
But we're not so fine.
So, let's eat. Good appetit. Hindi, hoisin siguro. Ay, bite na. Ay, ano ka naman dyan? Babysitter, ang peg na naman dyan.
Urumsoy ata. Na, tikman mo.
Sex pwede niya. Okay, kain po. Kain lang po. Masarap po ba?
Cheers.
Ay. Para ito na lang.
Lola, ayaw niya?
Ayan.
Okay. Kumain na ako.
Okay. Okay.